Designed specifically for installation of double-DIN wiring and antenna connections, sold separately, harness 77552, 40NI12. Radios or two single radios. Made in USA. Install dash kit for double-DIN, ISO radios. Designed and manufactured with precision tolerances, resulting in a gapless fit between the dash and the kit. Painted to match factory dash color. High-grade ABS plastic construction. Factory-style texture. Top reviews from the United States. Pefect fit, great price. I installed this with a dbl-dinn car stereo in my 2009 Nissan Rogue. It is all plastic, but it fit perfectly and looks like a factory install. I will use Metra again for any future parts one may need.